Hello, my name is Rob Sowerby. I am a tutor at the London School of Business and Finance, and I am here to show you how to answer a F9 exam standard question in 10 easy steps. The question that we picked is from the current syllabus, F9, from the pilot paper. I would strongly advise that you download this question from the ACCA website, and you have the question, and if you wish, the solution as well, to hand as you work through what we're doing. What I intend to do is to take you through this question in 10 steps to show you how easy it is to convert the question into an answer, or more importantly, to convert the question into marks in the exam. The 10 steps that I've chosen, you will see here. Don't get too worried about them at the moment. We're going to go through them bit by bit by bit. The whole idea is I want you to have a rigorous and ordered way of dealing with all exam questions during your exam. Leave nothing to chance. The first thing I want to look at is what I describe as question approach. Looking at the question, of course, you won't be able to understand what we see behind us here. Okay, it's a standard investment appraisal question that an examiner has asked, well, the same sort of question many, many times in the exam. Please note, we are going to look at technical points within the question, but more than anything else, I want to focus on that approach more than anything else. So firstly, when we're looking at the way we deal with the examination, you have to remember that there are 3 hours and 15 minutes in the exam. The first 15 minutes are called the reading time. And during the reading time, you are not able to use your calculator or alternatively write on the answer sheet. During the reading time, what I want you to do is to read the requirement. Analyze the requirement, understand what the requirement has to say. And also, if you have time, to skim read the narrative, i.e. get some basic idea of what paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3 is telling you. Secondly, well, let's look at the requirement in more detail. The requirement drives the question. It's always the thing that we focus on first. If you read the narrative up top before you read the requirement down below, you're going to waste time. Because the way that you read the narrative, the way that you interpret the information that is in front of you, is highly dependent on the instruction that you are given below. When you skim the narrative, as I said, you look at individual paragraphs. You don't want to get too bogged down. You simply want to understand what those paragraphs are telling you in simple terms. Quite often in questions, you're able to say, paragraph 1 relates to part A and paragraph 2 relates to part B, and so on. If you've done that, that will save you time and give you some direction when you get into the exam proper. So in summary, in the reading time, after 15 minutes, you should, given that you've done this for each and every question, understand the question order that you are going to do, i.e. easiest question followed by next easiest, and so on. Secondly, the timings. How much time you are going to spend not just on each question, but each part of each question. And thirdly, the question structure. You understand what the examiner is trying to get at.